The Human Rights Act 1998 is a landmark piece of legislation in the UK that incorporates the rights contained in the European Convention on Human Rights into domestic law. The Act allows individuals in the UK to challenge violations of their human rights in British courts and imposes obligations on public authorities to act in accordance with human rights standards. The Human Rights Act enshrines into UK law the rights listed in the European Convention on Human Rights, which include Right to Life. Article 2 protects the individual's right to life, except in limited situations such as self-defense or law enforcement. Prohibition of torture. Article 3 prohibits torture and inhumane or degrading treatment or punishment. Right to a fair trial. Article 6 ensures that individuals have the right to a fair and public hearing by an independent and impartial tribunal. Right to privacy and family life. Article 8 protects personal privacy and family life, home, and correspondence. Freedom of expression. Article 10 protects the right to hold opinions and receive and impart information and ideas, subject to certain restrictions necessary in a democratic society. The Act also protects freedoms such as freedom from discrimination. Article 14, freedom of thought, conscience, and religion. Article 9, and freedom of assembly and association. Article 11. Under Section 6 of the Human Rights Act, all public authorities in the UK, including the government, local councils, police, and courts, are required to act in a way that is compatible with the European Convention on Human Rights. If a public authority violates an individual's rights, that individual can bring a claim in the UK courts. The Human Rights Act requires that all legislation, both past and future, be interpreted and applied in a manner that is compatible with the rights under the European Convention on Human Rights. Courts are bound to interpret UK statutes in line with Human Rights Section 3. If it is not possible to interpret a law in this way, courts can issue a declaration of incompatibility. Section 4, signalling that the law conflicts with the European Convention on Human Rights, but leaving it to Parliament to amend the law. The Human Rights Act provides a direct route for individuals to seek remedies if their rights are violated. British courts can provide remedies, including compensation, for breaches of the Human Rights Act. However, Parliament can choose to amend or repeal legislation that is deemed incompatible with human rights, but the courts cannot strike down laws as unconstitutional. The Human Rights Act has had a profound impact on UK law, strengthening the protection of individual rights and ensuring that public authorities are held accountable for violations. It has influenced a wide range of legal areas, including criminal law, immigration, and family law, as well as policing and national security. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.